BJP hits back at Congress for levelling baseless allegations against the Prime Minister. Union Minister and BJP senior leader Ravi Shankar Prasad slammed Rahul Gandhi for his irresponsible remark and said he is trying to divert attention from Augusta Westland bribery case involving top brass Congress leaders. Ravi Shankar Prasad said PM is as clean as River Ganga. Black money cleanup drive continued. Huge amount of cash and gold bars seized from Tamil Nadu Chief Secretary Ram Mohan Rao's premises. Income tax officials raided 10 locations related to him in Chennai. Several incriminating documents were said to have been seized during the searches. In another development, sand mining baron Shekhar Reddy was arrested and remanded to 14-day judicial custody after seizure of huge amount of cash and jewellery from his residence in Chennai. A case has been registered against him for not being able to furnish details of sources of the massive amount of undisclosed income discovered in raids at his home. Railway police has arrested one person last night with old currency notes worth 31 lakh rupees at New Delhi railway station. While interrogation, the youth said he is a Bollywood assistant director and that he was travelling to Odisha. Further interrogation continued. On getting the information, IT department has started its probe. Income Tax Department issued 3,200 notices so far with respect to suspicious transactions of high-value cash deposits and that 734 intrusive action taken since November 8. These include surveys and searches under various provisions of IT Act. Assets worth 500 crore rupees have been seized so far. CBDT has referred 200 high-profile cases to ED and CBI. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit to his parliamentary constituency Varanasi today. PM Modi will launch a series of developmental projects including a super speciality hospital in BHU. Prime Minister will also interact with booth-level workers. Just 1% of India's more than 1.25 billion population pay income tax. Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog Amitabh Kant said that the country cannot afford as high as 95% of its economy making cash transactions. GST Council will begin its two-day meeting in New Delhi today. The meeting will consider model GST laws and iron out differences on the issue of jurisdiction over tax assessees in the new indirect tax regime. Manipur BJP delegation to meet Home Minister Rajnath Singh at his residence on the UNC blockade issue. The blockade of the national highways leading to the Manipur Valley, called by the United Naga Council, has been in place since November 1. This has severely affected life in the state. Anti-Corruption Bureau charge-sheeted DCW Chief Swati Maliwal in a corruption case. Maliwal is facing charges of giving plum posts to AAP supporters in the Delhi Commission for Women in violation of rules and regulations. The allegations on Maliwal included a list of 85 people who got jobs without requisite credentials. HRD Minister Prakash Javadekar backed CBSE move to make class 10 board exams a must for all CBSE students. He said it was discriminatory to allow 7 lakh students to opt out of the board exams when nearly 2 crore others were taking them. Government will work to approve the proposal and make it applicable for the entire country by 2018. Balochistan court warns of slapping red corner notice on former Pakistan President Pervez Musharraf for failing to appear in murder case of Baloch nationalist leader Nawab Akbar Baghti. Musharraf is evading appearance in the court after his acquittal was challenged in the division bench. The UN General Assembly has agreed to set up a panel to gather evidence on war crimes in Syria, taking a first step toward prosecuting those responsible for atrocities in the nearly 6-year war. A resolution on establishing the investigative mechanism was adopted yesterday in the 193-nation Assembly by a vote of 105 to 15. After India beat England in Test series, Indian bowlers Ravichandran Ashwin and Ravindra Jadeja topped the ICC bowling rankings for the first time in 42 years. Ashwin tops the chart, followed closely by Jadeja. Today is National Mathematics Day, when the nation is remembering the most remarkable mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan on his birth anniversary. Ramanujan made extraordinary contributions to mathematical analysis and number theory.